Is Jewish kosher slaughter, Shechita, truly humane? When we think about the practices that shape Jewish life, kosher slaughter, known as Shechita, often comes to mind. This method is designed to be humane, but what does that really mean? Let's break it down. Shechita is performed by a specially trained individual called a Shochet. This person uses a surgically sharp knife to make a swift cut that severs the animal's carotid arteries, trachea, and esophagus in one smooth motion. This technique is intended to cause a rapid loss of blood pressure to the brain, leading to unconsciousness within seconds. The goal here is to minimize pain and distress for the animal. The laws surrounding Shechita are rooted in Jewish tradition, which emphasizes compassion and respect for all living beings. A righteous person values the life of their animal, and these laws aim to ensure the most humane death possible while adhering to kosher dietary rules. After the animal is slaughtered, the meat undergoes kashering, which involves soaking and salting to remove blood, as consuming blood is forbidden in Judaism. However, the humane aspect of Shechita depends on how well it is executed. Experts in animal welfare agree that when Shechita is performed correctly, it can be as humane as methods that involve pre-slaughter stunning. The quick cut with a sharp knife is designed to cause minimal pain, and animals typically do not show signs of distress before losing consciousness. That said, challenges can arise in some slaughterhouses. Practices like shackling and hoisting conscious animals can lead to significant stress and suffering. These practices are not required by Jewish law and have faced criticism from animal welfare advocates. There is a growing movement to improve restraint methods in kosher slaughterhouses to better align with humane standards while still respecting religious requirements. Some facilities have already adopted more humane systems that reduce animal distress. For Jewish parents, teaching children about kosher laws and Jewish life includes discussing both the religious significance and the ethical considerations involved. Shechita reflects a commitment in Judaism to treat animals with care and minimize suffering. Educating children about the values behind kosher laws helps them appreciate the balance of tradition and concern for animal welfare. Parents can also talk about ongoing efforts within the kosher community to improve slaughterhouse conditions. This reinforces the Jewish value of compassion and encourages children to think critically about the practices that shape their dietary choices. In essence, Jewish kosher slaughter is intended to be a humane practice focused on minimizing pain through a swift, precise cut. While the method is humane when properly executed, the overall treatment of animals in slaughterhouses can vary. This highlights the need for continued attention to humane handling alongside religious observance.